Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to disable Windows Defender in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So, let's go. For this, you have to open your settings. Now go to Privacy and Security. Now click on Windows Security. Now go to Virus and Threat Protection. Now click on Manage Settings. Here you can see Real-Time Protection. You have to turn off this button. You have to turn off this button to disable it. So this is how you can disable Windows Defender in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.